Well, it would seem like with Bitcoin up 20% in the last 7 days, and Trump won right here. This was the election day. I think it's safe to say that with Trump in office, we're on our way to 100k Bitcoin. Very easy. Very easy. Let's take a little measure at this. We're up 35%. 35% since Trump's been elected. I wonder what it would have been if Kamala was elected. Probably down to here. Probably down to there. But that's amazing. Not to mention, let's just take a look at what is the highest on the 7-day. Yeah, this weird one, Peanut, 2,000%. All the meme coins, 100%, 100%, 100%, 90%, 90%, 70%. Or sorry, yeah, 70%. Actually, Dog with Hat got their Twitter got hacked, and they tweeted they tweeted to Andrew Tate, which is funny as hell. That's super funny. So it's good to see that with Trump in office, we know that Bitcoin's going to 100k, and that we're just making slow, easy, steady gains. Because let's just go back to Bitcoin. Look at this. That's just that's insane. We gotta move this out of the way. Let's see where 100k is. Where that is so close. Only has to go up another 9.5%, and we're at 100k Bitcoin. And with Elon stepping in as well, you already know it's gonna be amazing. Be prepared. Get in before it's too late. Before it's at 1 million. Of course, there will be the giant dips that go all the way down, but this may have been the last time that Bitcoin saw 50k. Right here. That may have been the last time. Well, until another video.